What happened?
I stole some money, man.
You stole some money? How much money did you steal?
So they want to press charges, okay? So it's kind of out of our hands right now, all right? So you are going to jail, okay?
On September 21st, 2023, Orlando police arrested a 20-year-old Universal Studios bartender for pocketing customer cash during Halloween Horror Nights.
You're gonna run them? Yeah. Alright. So what's going on? What's your name?
Jose.
Jose, what happened?
I stole some money, man.
You stole some money? How much money did you steal?
Like 22 bucks, 23 bucks.
22 or 23?
Around there.
Around?
Like, no, like 26.
26?
26.
Is this the first time that you've done this?
It's the third time.
Today? You did it 3 times today?
I did it twice today, one yesterday.
Okay, twice today. So how much total today?
Today, like 26, and yesterday it was like 13, 31.
Okay. So you work for, where do you work?
Well, tonight I was working as a bartender.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing last night.
Bartender where?
Same. Right there in front of the Texaco Louis.
For what company?
Universal.
Okay. And state your full name for me? And you're how old?
Huh?
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
20. Alright, just sit tight for a second, okay?
Do you still live at a... Okay. Alright. Sit tight for me, alright?
Walk out there. I'm like really nervous, you know, something.
I don't know, just hang out right here. We're about to walk out because I want to talk to you, okay? Alright. Mike, you ready?
I'll go with you. What are you filling out? I'll go with him. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk him out. I'm just gonna read him real quick just to confirm what the statement.
Okay.
Just go 10 as your number. Alright. Let's go outside and talk. Excuse me. Alright. We're gonna go over here and talk, okay? Do you know why we're here? Or why we're involved?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do know.
Huh?
Yeah, I do know.
Okay. So just because we're cops and all that in today's day and age, I just want to go over based off of what they handed us, the statements and stuff like that, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent, do you understand? Anything you say may be used against you in court, do you understand? Just need verbal yes or no's.
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning, do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to?
No threats, no.
Okay. Alright, so you know why we're here. Alright, I guess they did some sort of undercover buy or whatnot and you were pocketing money. Okay. So the statement that you provided them is true, is honest, that's how it went down?
I think so, yeah.
That someone would come up, pay for something, you would fake ring it out and just pocket the money?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Alright, so they want to press charges, okay? So it's kind of out of our hands right now, alright? So you are going to jail, okay?
Total stolen, $39 across 3 incidents over 2 days. He confessed before police even read him his rights. That detail matters legally. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, Miranda only kicks in during custodial interrogation. Jose was still sitting with private security when he volunteered everything. That confession is fully admissible. The officer later Mirandized him properly outside. Jose waived his rights and confirmed the scheme: fake the register, pocket the cash. every element of theft under Florida Statute 812.014 is met. $39 puts this under the $100 threshold. Second-degree Petit Theft, second-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. Universal caught him through a controlled buy, sending an undercover operative to purchase a drink and documenting that Jose never rang it up. Florida Statute 812.035 says this technique is not a defense. And because Park Security is a private entity, the Fourth Amendment does not apply. Under Bordeaux versus McDowell, everything they gathered, surveillance, statements, the sting itself, all admissible. Universal made the charging decision, not the officers. The officer called himself simply the messenger. In employee theft cases, the victim employer drives the prosecution. Jose had 0 prior arrests. In Orange County, first-time nonviolent misdemeanor offenders typically qualify for pretrial diversion. Complete the program, charges dismissed, record eligible for expungement. But petit theft is a crime of dishonesty. Even with dismissal, the arrest shows on background checks. For anyone in cash handling, hospitality, or financial trust, that can be permanently disqualifying.
It's just, have you ever been arrested before?
Never, sir.
Okay. So, I'll explain the process to you, okay? It's nothing like the movies, alright? So, you're going to go down to the processing area, alright?
May I call my mom?
You'll be able to have a phone call there.
May I call her while we're in the car? Just asking, sir.
Yeah, our policy doesn't allow that, okay? So, like I said, when we get down there, I'm going to write your charging affidavit. You're going to get booked in. You okay?
Yeah, just like...
Yeah, okay. So, you're going to go down there. You're going to get processed. You'll post bond. You'll be given a court date. You got to go up there. And then if you guys determine some other way to determine this, then that's between y'all, okay? We're simply just the messenger, all right? So, you mind just walking over here or this way? Do you have anything in your pockets?
I have coins and phone.
Okay.
Stay right here.
What is what's in here?
Wallet, candy, car keys.
Okay. Unfortunately, the candy can't go.
I have nothing in my pocket. I'm here to talk to you, sir.
And your car is parked in the employee lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As long as they don't do anything with it, meaning like tow it or whatnot, like that's where it's going to stay, okay? And that's nothing on our end, all right? That's on the Universal side, okay? And this is just a standard question we ask everybody, okay? No drugs, no hidden knives, nothing tucked, nothing stuffed, nothing hidden, all right?
I'm clean.
Okay. All right. So this is everything that will go to you. So when you bond out, this is what you're going to.
What is bond out?
Means you pay. So I think your bond is going to be $250. So you can pay $25. It's a promise that you basically show up to court. Okay. And then once you do that, you'll get all this stuff back from the jail. Okay.
Take this pen, just put it in your car. Can I have?
Yeah, I guess. Scene secure.
Grades. The officer gets an A. Miranda was textbook. He explained booking calmly, told Jose it is nothing like the movies, and treated a scared kid with genuine professionalism. Jose gets a D+. Full cooperation, immediate confession, 0 resistance. But the conduct was deliberate and repeated, and waiving Miranda eliminated every possible defense. Universal Security gets an A-. The controlled buy was clean, the evidence handoff seamless, and the investigation legally airtight. 3 takeaways. First, the dollar amount does not determine whether you get arrested. $39 triggered the exact same process as $390. Second, anything you tell private security is fair game. Miranda does not apply to corporate investigators, loss prevention, or park security, only to police in custody. Third, employee theft carries consequences that outlast the case. Jose risked his job, his record, and his future over $39. The math never works in your favor. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.